Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, njengoba umkhonto wesizwe party bone press conference namuhla. Ama-journalist abuzileke ngendaba kaThabiso efuna ukuklarifyelwa from kumkhonto wesizwe party. Siyakhumbula ukuthi kune-letter ephume last waphinde wavela uThabiso wathi yena uyasidistansa. So umkhonto wesizwe party urespondile mayelana lelo daba. Ngifisa ke sibuke lona namuhla kodwa singakangeni kulelo daba. Ngicela kuqala uzwe la.
There's commitment from Treasury, there's commitment from the departments that this particular VAT increase has to be temporary. It can't become a permanent feature, and we need to fight to look everywhere to cut wastage so that we don't burden South Africans with additional tax.
What solace do South Africans have? You know, you are assuring South Africans that this VAT increase must be temporary. It can't be a permanent feature. What is temporary? What are the time frames that we're looking at? And what happens after that time frame should it still remain?
So what we have said is that the first thing, as per the recommendation of the Finance Committee, is that in the next 30 days, there will have to be proposals that are submitted that will then balance the books in terms of where other areas where we can find revenue. But if that does not happen, which we believe we're going to spend long nights searching for additional revenue, then by the time that there's an adjustment budget, we are confident that there will have been money that both from a SARS side, but also from the work of cutting wastage that will ensure that this does not become a permanent feature.
Lono bekhuluma uChief Whip we-Rise Mzansi. I-Rise Mzansi ke ingamanye wama-political parties afome i-GNU. Siqala kule ndaba ngoba kulezi insuku indaba okukhulunywa ngayo. Futhi kunalento le amanye ama-political parties akholelwa kuyo ukuthi i-VAT ayizukukhuphuka. Kodwa manje ngithe uma ngizwa le video ethi Chief Whip kune-commitment eyenziwe i-Office le-National Treasury nabo abazenzele yona ukuthi this VAT increase i-temporary. Okusho ukuthi ngokusho kuka-Chief Whip iyakhuphuka i-VAT as from umhla ka-1 njengoba ethi is temporary. Phela ngeke ibe temporary ingakhuphuki. Bengithi nje angidlule kule ndaba ngoba indaba esizoyikhuluma kuze kufike umhla ka-1 la isobe sesithi khona ngempela ikhuphukile noma akayikhuphukanga. Kodwa mawuzwa abantu abayingxenye ye-GNU besho kanje funa wazi ukuthi hayi ngempela kukhona ukushaya amanzi. Asingene nendabeni kaThabiso ngoba iyona ndaba esihlangene ngayo la. Umkhonto wesizwe party wathumelela uThabiso i-email enamacala abekwe wona. Ushuthi amacala amangalelwe ngawo. Kwase bemnikeza imandate yokuthi akazokhuluma neprosecutor yomkhonto wesizwe party. Afika bekuhlangothi lwakhe. Ebese yona ibona ukuthi kufanele na icala lakhe liye ku-disciplinary noma akakufanele. Kodwa-ke uThabiso esikhundleni sokuthi aphendule noma aye kwi-prosecutor yomkhonto wesizwe party waphendula kanje.
Commander, morning. Ngate Mokotedi, a deployee of Northwest. You know very well, Hore, the SG after pronounced a structure sa Hwelwena. You said on the media, Larry, whoever or the structure must object it. So object the structure. Remit all the documentation. Ramala Comrade John Lela. Objection Yarona. I see attendee that they deploy you on Northwest and that they Mokotedi. I was assaulted. Ke assaultiwa ke ngwana wa coordinator ya MK Northwest le appointileng ya lona. Ngwana is a member of ANC. I get go file report. I be go reportela Ntate Mokotedi when I convener the deployee. Hore I was attacked during the proceedings of the council. Ka attack again a deployee ya lena. I mean ka attack again a coordinator ya lona le mapointile. So now I reported the matter to you and Comrade Floyd and Comrade Magazela. Formally. Ke kwetsele kwalo. But now, because of a video and you want to write a letter to me, or you want to discipline me with six charges. That them go daily. I'm not gonna respond to that letter. Take your decisions, do whatever that you want to do, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Emveni kwale video ke kwabe sekulandela iletha le eyayithi uresignile. Lena yena aphinde wavela wathi uyaziqhelelanisa nayo leyo letha leyo idraft akaresignanga yena useseyikhansela eNorthwest futhi useseyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe party. Emveni kwazo zonke ke lezi zinto ebezikhulunyiwe ngempela besilindele ukuthi kube khona okushiwo umkhonto wesizwe party ukuze sizokwazi okuyikona okuyiqiniso okwenzeka nokungenzeki. Noma sa understand ukuthi ngesikhathi ethi le letter idraft wayichaza khona ukuthi iletha le ilikwe nguye wayithumelela abe media abezindaba ngoba mhlambe efuna attention ngaphela akayithumelanga kumkhonto wesizwe party. Nayi ke impendulo ephendule uDSG. Isizathu esenza ukuthi kuphendule uDeputy Secretary General yingoba lolu daba lithinta uFloyd. Ngakho akakwazi uFloyd ukukhuluma ngento ethinta yena. Kuphenduleke lana ke uDSG. Ngicela uzwe ukuthi utheni.
Thank you very much to the national chairperson, to the national spokesperson. I'm going to take a question from Thabiso Goba, which relates to the state of the disciplinary processes of Thabiso Molefe. Firstly, I would like to confirm that Thabiso Molefe, the councillor, did not resign. He remains the member of Umkhonto Wesizwe. Indeed, he was charged for ill discipline in accordance with the constitution of Umkhonto Wesizwe. The disciplinary processes are scheduled and it is indeed underway. Thank you.
Njengoba umuzwa ke uDSG uyaconfirm ukuthi impela njengomkhonto wesizwe party abatholanga letha okusho ukuthi uThabiso Molefe useyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe party. Okwesibili useyilo futhi ikhansela eNorthwest kodwa uchajiwe uThabiso Molefe for ill discipline according to umkhonto wesizwe party constitution. I-disciplinary processes aqondene naye ascheduleiwe. Sizokwazi ukuhamba kwesikhathi noma phela internal into esizoyizwa thina isinqumo nakhona uma decide ukuterminate contract yakhe or ukumsuspend or ini ilapho bayusazisa khona ngoba lokho kuyobe kuthinta nomsebenzi wakhe awenzayo kodwa yena i-disciplinary process ischeduleiwe. Nami ngiyafisa personally ngiyafisa ukuthi akaye ku disciplinary hearing noma engangaxoshwa kodwa nje noma angasuspendwa nje kuphela 2 months ehlele ekhaya abuyisa ingqondo ngoba akenzi izinto njengomuntu omdala akalivikeli ipolitical party athi uyayithanda uyinekela izwe futhi indlela akhuluma ngayo futhi ungabanye babantu abenza kube noqhekeko kanti i-constitution yomkhonto wesizwe party ithi bagqugqumezela ubumbano. Yena uthi kunemkhonto wesizwe party orana uDuduzile bese kuba nomkhonto wesizwe party orana uFloyd. Ilento engifisa mina ukuthi personally sengathi bangamdisciplina noma bangamnika nje 3 months yehlele ekhaya bamsuspend bathi hayi uzobuye sikubona after 3 months ukuyocabanga kahle. Akahluza ingqondo ngoba ukwenza kwakhe lokho kudicilela isithunzi sepolitical party phansi. Ngiyacela kuze ukuphawula kwakho ngalolu daba, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe. Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga. Ningixolele ngendaba le yevet. Ngiyazi ukuthi omunye umuntu usuke efuna ukubona indaba kaThabiso, kodwa ke angeke ngikwazi ukwenza amavideo amaningi. Kungcono ngiyisqueeze in la le video sibone ngoba ukusiza ngani ukuthi ngenza ivideo ezobe ikhuluma ngevet, phinde ngenza ivideo ezobe ikhuluma ngoThabiso kanti ube ngithathe lento ngasifaka endaweni eyi1. Ngibuka nje manje sesikunqamlile yonke lento le.